This tutorial is for installing side panels and side bags on your land district. First, let's install the side panels. Locate the two rear screws indicated here that hold up the rear fender. Remove both screws. Removing these screws should allow for enough flex to put the bracket on. Each side of the included hardware has one long 4mm hex head bolt and two shorter 4mm hex head bolts. Apply a small amount of blue Loctite to each. Flexing down the rear fender bracket, insert the front of the side panel bracket between the frame and the fender bracket, using the long bolts to attach. Then use the two shorter bolts to attach the side bracket to the underside of the frame on each side. Slide the bracket to the rear and tighten down all three bolts. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Snug down all the bolts, but don't over-tighten. The side panel installation is now done. Let's do the bags. Locate these three Allen head bolts, one of which will require a ball head 4mm Allen to get to. Remove this bolt from the bottom of the rear tail light housing. Remove these two 4mm Allen head bolts from the forward part of the underside of the seat. This will allow you to gently be able to raise the seat. Between the seat and the frame, insert one of the side bag's large Velcro flaps through. Next, insert a strap from the back side of the bag down through the bottom of the side panel and strap tightly. Repeat on the opposite side. Next, pull the two large Velcro flaps together and tightly secure them, making sure the flaps go underneath between the seat and the frame. The forward bottom strap on the bags do not attach to anything. You've now successfully installed your side panels and side bags. Press gently down on the rear seat and reinstall the countersunk screw through the rear taillight. And do the same process with the two bolts underneath the seat. When everything's installed, you should have a little bit of room between your rear taillights and the bags.